Straumann SIRIOS soft tissue management tool. Understand how to use the soft tissue management tool. Learn the difference between the three levels. Get familiar with the usefulness of this tool. The soft tissue level management tool is available within each scan screen. These will allow you to scan the amount of soft tissue desired according to your case. You can easily toggle between each level while scanning. The first level is an AI model that has been trained to keep minimal amount of soft tissue while scanning. Approximately 3 to 4 mm of soft tissue will be kept around the scan. The rest will be automatically cleaned. The second level is an AI model that has been trained with edentulous data to preserve more soft tissue to ease scanning of gingiva areas. Approximately 4 to 5 mm of gingiva will be kept around the scan and the rest will be automatically clean. The third level has no AI filtering. This one is functional in mouth and optimal for scanning models on the bend. No automatic cleaning will occur when using this one. It is recommended to use third level only for a small area difficult to capture in mouth.